Hello guys, Raheem here. I hope you all are doing well and welcome to Reviews and Chronicles. Let's get started. Today's video explores the Octane series by CASIO Sheen watch. The seamless design of this elegant timepieces includes crisp, clean lines and a minimalized look. Crystals accent the octagonal bezel at 3, 6, 9 and 12 o'clock positions for extra sparkle. If we speak about the physical appearance of the watch comes with a sapphire crystal which is a highly scratch resistant and adds premiumness to the watch. It is a 50 meters water resistant and it also has a date display at the 6 o'clock which will keep you at your peak all the day long. Entire body is made up of a stainless steel. We have three colors to choose from, that is silver stainless steel, black stainless steel and a grey leather accented with a gold rim for an even more sophisticated look. You will be able to dress up any outfit with any of these solid watches. This looks good in official meetings and gatherings. Size of the case as per the Casio is 33.5 into 28 into 5.9 millimeters. Overall total weight is 55 grams. The battery supplies the watch with sufficient energy for approximately 2 years. Well, that's it for today guys. In my opinion, this watch gives a fresh look and a premiumness while we wear this. And if you are new to my channel guys, kindly consider subscribing to this channel. It will not only motivate me to make some more videos but also helps the channel to grow. I am expecting 1000 subscribers from this video, and do check my other videos on my channel. Thank you guys. Stay home, stay safe.